Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Piano Man on a 10-hole harmonica. First, grab a standard C harmonica, as it's the most common key for this song. Hold it so the lowest notes are on your left. Before diving into the melody, practice playing clear, single notes. This involves shaping your mouth to cover just one hole at a time, ensuring a crisp sound. This foundational skill is crucial for mastering the song's distinct melody. Now let's tackle the iconic main riff, which serves as both the intro and the chorus. This part primarily uses holes 4, 5, and 6. You'll start by blowing into hole 4, then drawing air through hole 5, and finally blowing into hole 6. Practice this three-note sequence slowly at first, ensuring each note is clear and distinct. Once comfortable, you can gradually increase your speed to match the song's tempo, repeating it as needed. Moving on to the verse melody, this section introduces a slightly different pattern, primarily utilizing holes 3, 4, and 5. Begin by drawing air through hole 3, then blowing into hole 4, and finally drawing through hole 5. The key here is to maintain a smooth, connected sound as you transition between these notes. Practice this sequence until it flows naturally, allowing the harmonica to sing the story of the song's verses. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together. Start by playing the intro riff, then transition into the verse melody and return to the chorus riff. Practice along with the original Piano Man track to get the timing and feel just right. Remember, mastering this song takes consistent practice and patience. Enjoy the process of bringing this classic tune to life on your 10-hole harmonica.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.